My dear students, today we are going to look for the study of skeletal muscle relaxant activity with the help of rotor rod apparatus. So for this experiment, as usual, at first you have to get into the XPalm software and click login and enter the username and password. Then there will be an first page. It will be visible like this, so at which you have to click exactly to the experiment. Then once you click the experiment, then the next page it will open like this, and in this you try to click the next page to start the experiment. Click here. In this you try to click the icon, then automatically it will move into the next topic, that is the introduction of the equipment. So usually the rotor rod apparatus, it is a horizontal grooved rod rotating at a fixed speed. The mice are made to balance on this rod. So depend upon the motor coordination and the central nervous activity, the muscle will be stable on that particular platform, and when it is fall down, so which indicates that it loses its muscle coordination. So when the floor which has the sensors, so whenever it is fall off, then automatically it deactivates the timers, and that has to be noted down. The principle behind the experiment is the reduction of the power motor coordination, CNS depression and skeletal muscle relaxation lead to the decrease in the fall of time and decreasing in the number of free riding. So see to that, in this experiment we are going to look for the fall of time as well as the free riding. So free riding in the sense the animal will rotate on the wall, there is walls, it won't be standing on the rod, so that is called the free ridings. So if there is a decreasing in the fall of time and the lesser in free ridings, which indicates that the animal which has the skeletal muscle relaxant activity. So regarding the procedure, the animals were be divided into two groups and each consists of 3 animals actually. Administer one group with the test and another one more group with the vehicle by using intraperitoneal route. Then 25 rotation per 60 seconds will be kept in the speed in the instrument. Then the fall of time will be displayed on the particular equipment. And while to start the experiment, at first you have to click administer. Then automatically the drug vehicle as well as the drug will be administered automatically, and in the center there will be automatic video which will be running. And once it is completed, then there will be 3 animals in both, that is vehicle treated and the drug treated, and you have to click one animal from the vehicle treated. Automatically it will 3 animals will be placed on the center video. Then the timer will start running it. Then once the timer stops, in the sense the animals, when it is falls down in the sensor, then the timer automatically stops. Then you have to enter the values in the table. So repeat the same procedure by clicking an animal in the drug treated group. Then automatically all the 3 animals will be placed in the cage, and you have to enter the values once it is finished. Then you have to click the observation to view the values. Whatever the values you have been entered in the table, that will be visible in this observation column, and if you click it, then it will open up. Regarding the conclusion, the observed reduction in the fall of time as well as the free riding, which shows that the given drug, that is a diacepham, which produces the decreasing in the motor coordination, decreasing in the muscle strength, which indicates that the diacepham, it is a skeletal muscle relaxant, and because of that it has been decreasing the fall of time as well as the free riding. Thank you all for your patient listening. So once again, the concept of this experiment is the skeletal muscle relaxant, which will decreases the fall of time as well as it will decreases the free riding. So diacepham which does both.